I'm doing a day in my life. Let's start off with this hair. Good morning routine. Start off this day in my life because I haven't done really anything. Really. In the shower, it's clean. I'm just gonna go in with this little bit of conditioner just so I can have a detangler because I don't have a detangler. I don't know where my white tooth comb is. So we're gonna be in there for a while. Yeah, TikTok video. That girl, she couldn't find a reason why she wanted the back of her teeth whitened. I don't know if it's just me, but I want the front and back of my teeth whitened. And my teeth whitened. And while I was in the shower, I need the conditioner as on my hair because when I put my hair under the water, it just doesn't want it to be detangled actually. But I did use a little because I like that conditioner makes my hair feel really soft. And another thing, I decided to switch brushes. Tangling brushes for like when I'm styling my hair. This is my regular dimmer brush. This is what my hair usually looks like. Really nasty. Okay. So when I detangle, this is what I get. Got from this. Minus little pieces. So down the tub. This is very ashy. I think my biggest challenge, already fixed parts of it, is record everything and it's aesthetically pleasing to y'all instead of me. And I'm not gonna be doing that no more. Very stupid of me because I'll spend more time trying to figure out what y'all like than me creating content, you know? Because I'm trying to keep up with what y'all like. And by the time I get to recording it, y'all onto something new. It seems like the most obvious option all along was to just do what I feel best works for me. That was just a random thought. I know that was kind of like out of nowhere, but that aesthetically pleasing stuff that y'all love, those tall windows, floor to the ceiling windows, like dark aesthetic, big glass countertops and stuff like that. Like, I had it. And I didn't take advantage of it because it was like, oh, I'm gonna be here forever. Like, I didn't even take time to be thankful for the things I had in front of me. I had the car, I had the houses, I had the family, I had the support and everything. I literally just didn't take advantage of it. I didn't see it then, but now I see it now because it's like, it's just a downgrade. That's what it is, it's a downgrade. I'm looking for a hair bow. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3-strand twist with rod on the end. This is what I go by, and you're probably like, girl, you're not gonna finish your hair. They're over here. This is something new I tried. Favorite conditioner. I also like the almond twist by Camille Rose. Like their green deep conditioner. I don't know, I can't remember what's in it, but I know it's green. Okay, I just had an idea. I'm sure it'll crap. But here it looks more different, right? I don't know if that's how short my hair was when I first did my bitch up. I don't think so. I don't think I would let this slide. This failed tremendously, so that's how it feels bigger and thicker and fluffier, longer than the other. But I gotta brush my teeth and get ready for work. So all this. We have our coconut oil. Right, come back from work. I might go until tomorrow. But like, I didn't really do anything besides do my hair. I need to do this instead of a, you know, ponytail. Should have been like quicker. Wasn't what I expected. So, this clip is going to be the end of the video simply because I didn't like the hairstyle. Should have just went with the ponytail. I didn't want to because I just took my hair out of braids like, I don't know, has it been a week ago? I be dramatic with the timeline, so I don't really know. But it was soon. I feel like my hair could take any gel, but if I applied the Eco Styler gel and it's gonna be a rough restart. When I did my bitch chop, my hair was okay. When it was natural and I don't dye or nothing in it, Eco gel was okay as long as I applied the moisturizer. Now that my hair is colored, it's like it's still hard hair. And I cut off a couple pieces of my hair. I threw it away. I didn't know how to edit videos. This is what I got in the mail. Just they get on my nerves. Whoa, what the heck? Instructions, this is sad. I can't, oh, I remember why I actually came onto the camera. Notice my hair not turning out right. My face is breaking out. And I'll insert a clip here because I think I have been on TikTok and it has been a very powerful narrative, as in the cosmetic. I'm just talking about like face wash. Like I see the snail, I see retinol all the time, I see so many things, and my face was perfectly fine. Like I had a few breakouts. Here come TikTok, and here I am. This is my rundown. We're doing a mask 3 times a week to clear this up. We're keeping this for moisturizing because she's good on oily skin. What do I have to say to y'all before I go? Oh, thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what y'all want to hear. I love hearing y'all talk to me. Like, I really do. I try to respond to everybody. Bye, y'all.